Okay, so the doors are off, the bottom wire is off, I've left the divider. So now I just need to replace the doors and replace the floor wire. Then I'm going to add legs, and these will be stacked. It'll be a 4-hole cage system, 2 cages high. These cages are 24 by 24. So all the way across is 48 by 24 deep. And these will be stacked nicely on legs with pans underneath. It should be really nice when they're done. Next, I'll be taking a wire brush to the wire and then connecting the floor and stuff. As long as I don't get rained out, that'll be my next thing.